Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of SEO in digital marketing. Today, we've got an essential topic for you: 301 vs 302 redirects. If you want to boost your website's SEO game, you are in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our expert insights. 301 vs 302 redirects. For SEO, which should you use? When it comes to optimizing your website for search engines, redirects play a crucial role. In this video, we'll break down the differences between 301 and 302 redirects, help you understand when to use each, and even introduce you to the lesser-known 307 and 308 redirects. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding 301 redirects. First up, let's talk about 301 redirects. These are permanent redirects, and they are your best friend when you want to signal to search engines that a page has moved permanently. Think of them as the change of address cards for your website. When should you use a 301 redirect? Well, if you've updated your website's URL structure, migrated to a new domain, or rebranded your business, 301 redirects are your go-to choice. They not only ensure that users are seamlessly directed to the new location but also transfer the SEO value from the old page to the new one. But remember, improper use of 301 redirects can lead to SEO headaches. So, use them wisely and sparingly. Now, let's move on to 302 redirects. Number 2. Unpacking 302 redirects. 302 redirects, on the other hand, are temporary redirects. These are like, "I'll be back soon" signs for your web pages. They indicate that the page has moved temporarily, and the original URL will be back in action. So, when should you opt for a 302 redirect? Well, let's say your website is undergoing maintenance, or you're running a limited time campaign that redirects users to a special offer. In such cases, 302 redirects ensure that users are directed temporarily without affecting the SEO value of the original page. However, be cautious not to mislabel a permanent move with a 302 redirect, as this can confuse both users and search engines. Now, let's explore the less commonly discussed 307 and 308 redirects. Number 3. Demystifying 307 and 308 redirects. 307 and 308 redirects are HTTP status codes that are often overlooked but can be incredibly useful in specific situations. The 307 redirect is similar to a 302 in that it signifies a temporary move. However, it's particularly useful when you want to maintain the same method for the redirected request. On the other hand, the 308 redirect is a permanent redirect, but it also preserves the same HTTP method. This is handy when you need to indicate a permanent move while ensuring that the original request method is maintained. These status codes might not be used as frequently as 301 and 302, but knowing when and how to employ them can be a game changer for your website's performance. Number 4. Choosing the right redirect strategy. Now that you're familiar with the different types of redirects, the big question is, which one should you use for your website? Well, it all boils down to your specific needs and goals. If you're making a permanent change, such as a new domain or a complete website overhaul, go with the trusty 301 redirect. It's your best bet for preserving SEO value. For temporary situations like maintenance or short-term promotions, opt for the 302 redirect. It keeps things flexible without impacting SEO. And if you require the same HTTP method for the redirected request, consider the 307 or 308 redirects, depending on the permanency of the move. In the world of SEO, making the right redirect choice can significantly impact your website's performance, user experience, and search engine ranking. So, choose wisely. There you have it, folks, the scoop on 301 vs 302 redirects, with a bonus glimpse into 307 and 308 redirects. We hope this video has shed light on these essential SEO tools. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow digital marketers. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insightful videos on SEO and digital marketing. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep optimizing, keep ranking, and keep winning in the world of SEO.